Audio Jungle.
Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation. Birth and education. Mahatma Gandhi was born at Porbandar in Kathiawar in the year 1869 on 2nd October. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. After completing his studies, he went to college and later proceeded to England to study law.
Trip to South Africa. Gandhiji went to South Africa in 1893 and stayed there for 12 years. He first practiced his non-violence agitation there. He fought with blacks against white and their unjust policies.
Contribution to Indian freedom struggle. Back in India in 1915, he met Lokmanya Tilak and Gopal Krishna Gokhale and joined the freedom struggle. Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement against the British. All the peoples of India were with him.
End of his life. He went to jail many times. Without firing a single bullet, he won independence for India on 15th August 1947. On January 30, 1948, while going for a prayer meeting, Gandhiji was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. The beloved leader of the nation has passed away, leaving the people of India alone.
Principles of Gandhiji:
Satya,
Brahmacharya,
Ahimsa,
Khadi,
fasting.
and religion.
Now let's elaborate these principles.
Satya: a man should speak truth to everyone.
Brahmacharya. At the age of 36, Gandhi adopted the vow of Brahmacharya or celibacy. He committed himself to control the sense, thoughts, and action. His practice is very beneficial in one's life.
Ahimsa. The concept of non-violence and non-resistance has a long history in India religious thoughts and has had many revivals in Hindu, Buddhism, Jain, Muslim and Christian context. Gandhi explained everyone to not do any kind of violence against words or physical means.
Khadi. Gandhi also adopted the clothing style of most India in early 20th century. His adoption of khadi or homespun cloth was indeed to help eradicate the evil of poverty, social and economic discrimination. Idea of Made in India scheme was taken from this Gandhi's ideology.
Fasting. To Gandhi, fasting was an important method of exerting mental control over base desires. Gandhi was opposed to the partaking of meat, alcohol, stimulates, salt, and most spices, and also eliminated different types of cooking for the food he ate.
Religion. Gandhi believed that at the core of every religion was truth, non-violence, and the golden rule. There is no such thing in the religion overriding morality. Satya still holds enough respect in human society, which is a part of religion.
Teachings of Gandhiji.
Live life to the fullest. It is the quality of life that matters, not the speed with which you live.
Always speak the truth.
Let the change begin with you.
Believe in love.
Think before you act.
Live to learn.
Be positive.
Learn to forgive.
So let's conclude our presentation with Mahatma Gandhi came into the world on October 2, 1869 and went out on January 30, 1948. In 78 years, this man took stand and such courage and determined to accomplish whatever he set in his mind to.
He proved that it is possible to change the world with just one voice through courage and determination. We should follow his teachings to live a healthy and happy life. He will always be remembered in our heart and in our pockets.
A presentation by Shubh Sara 11th, Siddhi Sara 10C.
Thank you for watching, and we both wish you a very happy Gandhi Jayanti.